Umintri rangba ke Jylla konrad ke sangma habakren chikila pathai Khubor ha ka arpulai tarik rumpang arjar arpun riu ule Pynshai habai dei ke Skim Mhis ulong ba ke Mhis kamdei baladang lipa sumar lada ke pisa kan poi lailak kin ot lailak tingka Henry ke don la ke jong ke dor bikin ot pat ke per na ke we ke jing sya sumar na ke we pat Menteri Rang Bau Long, balada ke jing sumar ke dei ke ba lasya hapo ke Mhis ban ot arpo jar tingka, bat ke bai sumar ke poi shilak, bat ki wei kim ha hapo ke Mhis, kin ot tangi ke badei ban ot, bat ke bahap hapo jangka. Balada ki wei ki jing sumar ki hap hapo ke Mhis lada ki la ban kentup lang, bat lada ke bai sumar ke poi shilak, bat hadin biki lepet benya ki lap ba kandai pau persen ki la ban ot na ke Mhis, kata kin le, bat dia ke 10% pat kinum la ban ot. Nak liang Menteri Rang Bau Loong bakadon ke sistem bikin pet kumnu ke Mhis kan ot. Nginum la ban ot ya ke ek baklem kentup lang hapo jangka. Kidon ki jing sumar ki basya, kidon ki bamha hapo kamang pisa jong ke Mhis. Shushu loong baka sorkar kadang pet benya shushu Halor kani, bat kidang kentiu habai dei baka jing sumar. Kidon ki mat ki baki pat bat ki sngau tho, bat kidon pat ki benta baki pat bat kim sngau tho. Bat ka sorkar lingba ka redressal committee ka bapet yakani la ka dei ne kam dei, bat bun ni kini ki jingja ki la ban penbet hapo kani ka committee.
These 4 different treatments, and the Mhis is not that that you go for treatment and if your bill is 3 lakhs, they just simply cut 3 lakhs. There is a special category and a special amount for special treatment for special medicines. So if the medicines say, I don't know the details, but say suppose a treatment A, is the only one that's permissible under the Mhis, and that treatment is 30,000 rupees, whereas the total bill was 1 lakh, and the others are not permissible, then 30% will be paid, as you said. It won't be. But then if again other treatments were permissible, and there was an option in the Mhis, because the different categories are there, and if they are able to include all of them, which is what normally they do, then after that, say suppose 90% of them of the 1 lakh expenditure, the different services can be included. Then 90% of the bill will be clear. The 10% which cannot be included in the Mhis will not be. So Mhis is not like a free kind of thing, and anything and everything can be just put in as you wish. There is a system and a mechanism. For each treatment, there's a certain amount, and some treatments are allowed, some treatments are not covered under the Mhis. But as we move along, we are increasing the number of treatments. And then after that, once that is done, majority of the cases go fine without problem. People understand it. In certain cases, there are certain issues and certain problems, and people say that, well, we didn't get money for this. So for that, we have also redressal mechanism is there. There's a committee that looks into it, that checks whether what the patient is saying is correct or not correct, and whether what the doctor or the hospital has done is correct or not correct. And accordingly, then they resolve the issue. So in most of the cases, in 90% of the cases, we have seen that there are not major issues, but then there are a large number which have, because lakhs and lakhs of claims come every year. So yes, there are cases, and one by one we are streamlining them, and we are creating more awareness, and we are taking action against any hospital that is found to in any way flaunt the rules and the regulations. Again, as I said, because I don't know if we misquoted in this, because I don't know which operation it was or what kind it was. But as I said, normally, again I'm using the word normally, if it is the exact same treatment with the same procedure and same background and everything, then it should not be the case. Then there's no way you can charge different amounts, if that is the case. And if there is a case like that, please complain as to the authorities. We will take action. We will call the patient and the family, and we'll call the doctors. We'll find out the facts, figures, and we'll take necessary action. But as I said, sitting here just listening to your statement, it's impossible for me to comment yes or no, because the technical aspects are so complicated that even reading it, I will not be able to understand. So a professional doctor or somebody who understands medicine will have to explain it. But as I said, I can give you a simple answer. If it is the exact same procedure with no change, no difference, then it should not be different rates. It's the same rate everywhere. And if that is the case that's happening, then you can always complain to us, and we can look into it. And patients do complain. Every month every week we get complaints, and it is resolved immediately.
So